What up, y'all? It's Dominic369 for Occultism Unleashed. If you've been wondering why they use candles in rituals or what they call spells, you want to watch this video. So, when you do a ritual or you see rituals on TV, they don't even know why they use candles. They don't know why they have candles at the churches. You know, they just do it as a ritual. Something that they've been programmed to do, so they just robotically do shit. When you use a candle, you're working with an element. The elements, fire, air, water, earth, and spirit, are the building blocks of all things. So when you're working with manifestation and spirit is the fifth element. So these are the building blocks of all things. In order to do any type of manifestation, you need to be working with one of the elements, at least. Some people use one, some people use more, But when it comes to candles, that is the element of fire. What do you know about the nature of fire? Fire heats, it provides energy. It provides light. So when you look at the light part, we know that light is connected to Ra. Ra is connected to awareness. So when you light a candle in a spell, you're bringing your desire or your intention into your awareness and into the awareness of the universe. It's like putting up a bat signal. Hey, universe, this is what I intend to do. Because that's all a manifestation is. Declaration and projection of your intent. So when you light the candle, that's like, bam, making the universe and forces around you and with you and within you aware on a conscious level that you are asserting your will upon the universe. Consciously and aware, you're bringing awareness to yourself and to the universe of your intention. Secondly, fire gives off energy. In order to make anything work, you need energy. So not only does the fire bring awareness to your intention, it puts energy behind your intention. So when you are trying to manifest, you need to be aware of your intention and put energy behind your intention. It's not spooky. Once you understand the nature of the universe and the nature of yourself, that's why they say, as above, so below. That which is found in the heavens is reflected in mankind. When you understand your nature, you will understand the universe's nature. That is why they told us, our ancestors told us, know thyself and you shall know all things. It doesn't matter that they tried to warp our teachers and create Christianity and all these other beliefs. They left the symbols in our temples. And all you have to do is see the symbol and it activates things in your mind. Just like when you see a stop sign, it makes your fucking ass stop, don't it? Because it's a symbol, and symbols are living things that have power. I'm coming at y'all. So this is giving you awareness, a little bit of awareness about the element of fire and how it works. I'm going to drop all the elements on y'all. We getting busy. If you ain't seen them yet, go to the Planetary Magic series and share these videos with your friends. Put them on your timeline. Because if y'all ain't spreading it, it ain't getting out. Stop being scared. Let's get to it.